In today's video, I'll show you how to use the manual mode on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. To use the manual mode, you need to go to the modes and then select adapted cooking. That's one of the modes. There are also other modes. Now, it'll either look like this or the modern layout, which I'll actually switch to because it's more likely that you have the modern layout. So as you can see, you can now set the temperature, the time, the speed, and the direction of turning the device, right? So the knife inside, it can turn right, which means it will cut, or left, so the dull parts will move forward, so it won't cut. In the turn left mode, you can set the speed up to 3. You can adjust with the knob or with your finger. And in the turn right mode, you can set it up to 10. Now remember that if you're setting it at over 4, then you shouldn't use the blending accessory, which is this like butterfly whisk. You shouldn't use it because it's supported for up to 4th level of speed. Then for level 4 or more, so above 3, you should use the measuring cup on top of your lid. You should attach it in order to prevent splashes. Then you can set the time as well, and the temperature if you want to, also by finger or by the knob. And then you can click on start. And then it will start spinning. You can pause whenever you want or just wait until it finishes. And that's one of the modes, but there are also other modes like Knead, which you can set whether you want to do solid dough, soft dough, or liquid dough. And then the kneading time can be set. And then you can click on start. So it will start spinning, then stop, then spin again and stop, and repeat several times. For the solid dough, although for like liquid dough it'll work differently a little bit. So but for solid dough it's going to be an interval, so it kneads it well. Let's try doing it. As you can hear, it starts spinning, then it should stop at some point, though I don't really hear that. I could pause that, of course, whenever I wanted. I could stop. Yeah, I could start the soft dough mode instead. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.